Good job. Real good.
The National Religious Broadcasters. Okay. They have a staff. It's a big nonprofit. They have a lot of allies in the faith community, in the Christian community. And about 2 weeks ago, I'm going to get a student community. And title, right? The
You hit a banana.
President of Community.
Wrong way. Right way.
Who represents one of the choppiest states in the country, and so he's done it, and not just done it, but Manchin, to his credit, and Sinema and others voted for the American Rescue Plan, and Manchin does want infrastructure that is somewhere he agrees with the broad sweep of the Democrats. So sure, it's not a rare market job.
Places Yahweh tests humans. Yahweh.
Why do I have to point to some phrase in the Bible?
Can I put a wang on this?
Yes.
Advocate for sexual harassment among lumberjacks, it would be Eric Holcomb. He looks like the lawyer representing Deep Dish Pizza after 4 local children died.
Here's a law right in the strike zone, Noah. Dealer's choice, roast any right-wing asshole.
Oh, any asshole. Okay. Let's go for the one most likely to kill me at the moment. Ron the bubonic tonic DeSantis.
I do whatever I want, I'm a bad boy.
This gets back to, are you a global atheist or a local atheist? This is an attempt to deflect from having to this actual proposition and exposing the circuit.
Lots of running red lights.
As he did on Talk Heathen and elsewhere, that we as atheists don't have any foundation to object to or to argue about reality or anything.
Marks the 5-year anniversary of Cuts Clothing, and they're doing it big with 2 collection drops, a product launch, and a week-long special event. Join the celebration and get 15% off site-wide by going to cutsclothing.com/opening.
What are you doing?
That's cutsclothing.com/opening for 15% off and access to
Oh my God, you need to turn
all
right.
month long.
The penalty was set at 1% for taxable years beginning 2014, 2% for taxable years beginning in 2015, and then was set to 0% for taxable years beginning after 2015. So the mandate is set to 0. Yeah. But it's
pay a fee if they ever bring back the mandate. But like this, you don't even get that credit. So like they're trying to sneak in on the fact that it's a $0 mandate right now, but as you say, if they bring
plenty of room.
What was going to happen if Roe v. Wade literally was overturned? It just goes to the states. But what's going to happen right now is, well, if we know the Supreme Court doesn't care about this type of thing, at least 5 of them.
How does traffic work?
We're just going to carbon copy and do it everywhere we can.
Warfare, and then it's like, well, you know, there wasn't really much here because you destroyed what was here. You know, and they're like a Cecil, if I showed up to your house and whole family.
Thank you both. Coming up today, Nancy Pelosi said she's not making progressives vote for the bipartisan infrastructure bill for Joe Manchin and Kristen Sinema. Vote for the progressive reconciliation bill in the Senate. That's next.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Are not main. That that was the main story. Mr. Torres going to Washington was the main story. On to another story. We got an Activision Blizzard settlement? Is this over? Are we done?
It is not over, and this is...
that the politics don't favor Democrats for the reasons that we know. Joe Biden is still sitting on a 55% approval rating on infrastructure. I think there's a way in which this could still play to Democrats' advantage, and it's the way that you're now suggesting.
Oh my God.
Where the Democrats fail on the bipartisan front because they pin it all on Trump. They pass the Democratic the only way that it works for Republicans is they sit down and root for inflation, which is really what the party is doing at this point anyway.
What are you doing?
That there's the beginnings of a significant inflation spike.
Jim's sister. Her name is Dagny. She's the number 2 of the company, and clearly represents Ayn Rand's fantasy of herself as the infinitely rational capitalist. And stay with me.
He is barely my assholes.
Too late. I can't go anywhere. I can't go anywhere. Keep. Okay, cool. You can go around.
Two hours later.
Other side! Calm down. That is such a smart place to stand.
So, on the why so expensive side, it says, charged highest price by providers, paperwork and overhead, cover all pre-existing
Sure light, get off the phone.
And that's why it's important.
Yeah, you missed it.
They're required by law, thanks to Obamacare, to cover all pre-existing. And then higher costs lead to higher.
Wait, what? Did he just go through on his own?
Is it still a Sunday out there? It's my favorite.
Okay. Go. Not a parking spot.
Truths. Embedded in Barton's enterprise and visible in the very title of his magnum opus, The Jefferson
Turn your lights
Letters,
on.
is the message that history is just a political battlefield, where the votaries of the left.
I can go through, but the water can't. So weird.
So in front of a green screen, like a crazy person, he just walked over to nothing and was like, arm to the side, water is here, right?
Yes!
This has nothing to do with science or anything. You're almost admitting you don't know. Why don't you just say you don't know?
I don't know. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I don't know.
Well, here's the thing. Let me try this. Let me try a slightly different tack. If you found out that somebody believed in Jesus and their reason was fear and ignorance, what would you tell them?
That's not a very good reason to hold on to that belief.
Okay. Would that also be true if you found somebody who believed in Allah for fear?
Yes.
What about Thor?
Yes.
Matt, ticket for you.
Search for Into America, wherever you're listening now. Follow to get new episodes every Thursday morning.
Turn signal. What's a turn signal?
3 law professors,
Who knows?
2 former federal prosecutors, have written a roadmap for federal prosecutors. Schools, Lawrence Tribe, along with the University of Michigan Law School's Barbara McQuaid and the University of Alabama Law School's Joyce Vance.
Go.
As evidence of Donald Trump's efforts to overturn the 2020 election mounts, here that was illuminating to me is you mentioned as one of the possibilities to investigate a violation of the Hatch Act.
Really?
Criminal provision.
You didn't even look.
I don't know that I remember that the Hatch Act
Didn't even
has a
look.
criminal provision, but I know it now.
We suggest merit serious, continuous investigation until the Justice Department determines whether the former president committed felony or not. It is that investigation that's merited based on what we publicly know.
You mentioned several things, conspiracy and other things.
What are you doing?
Specifically in the piece, everyone should read the piece to see what those are that should be investigated.
And we do this. You don't need to turn. See, there's 2 lanes. Do it.